Get ready to witness another year of athletic spectacle as Cebu School Athletic Foundation Incorporated, CESAFE, opens its 23rd season this Saturday, September 23, 2023. With the theme of Eyes on the Gold, Green is the Goal, CESAFE launched their grand opening today. Around 19 educational institutions in Cebu, comprising high schools, colleges, and universities are actively participating in this event this year.
There are 17 CESAFE schools right now, plus 2 guest teams. No? So mo na atong kuan ron, mo na atong kuan sa CESAFE nakadaghan na ta. No, so that's why the kuan so na mo moratorium sa ta pagdawat kuan for the next 5 years. Pagsugod ta karon until ato championship is December 15.
The kick-off ceremony becomes more thrilling with the introduction of the Miss CESAFE 2023 competition, which includes participants from both college and high school levels. Miss CESAFE highlights the contestants' beauty and intelligence, presenting an enthralling beginning to the season.
The new is we have new members. Well, they also going to join for the Miss CESAFE selections, and then maybe the new is like moving forward.
For criteria for judging.
For criteria for judging, we have, although we developed something, but we're not going to tell you, it's a secret.
In relation to esports, significant thrilling experiences are being prepared for both athletes and supporters.
Right now, new na kaning part sa CESAFE karon, which is ang esports, although we started that one last year pa. So we had pre-season, we have exhibition game, tas nagtapos ang season 1. So the season 1 composed of 10 schools, and then we have one game, the 𝗚LBB. So namin sa among finale katong sa SMC said. Right now we going ta sa season 2 karong October 7 sa USPF ang venue, but then not only the 𝗚LBB ang na-add, but we also have a PC game, which is the Valorant. For the 𝗚LBB, that's a mobile. Ang sa Valorant, this is sa PC. But for the PC, ang venue na to is dili sa USPF, sa TNC ang venue na to karon.
Organizers promised this season to be memorable for sports enthusiasts in Cebu and beyond.
I would encourage you to watch the games. No? While we have live streaming, no, mas maayo magyapon ng atong face-to-face na makita ka sa atong mga, mga skills, talents at mga players outside ng mga gwapo mong punsiguro ni sila.
This has been Mary Francis Lynn Caayon, My TV, Cebu.